After thorough research and testing, I've compiled a list of the top 7 best CPUs for VR gaming in 2025. This list caters to different types of buyers, covering various needs whether it's affordability, performance, or specific features. For more details, check out the product links in the video description below. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Let's dive in. Number 7. On our list is the Intel Core i9-10900K. Although it doesn't surpass AMD's Ryzen 9 3950X, which boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, the i9-10900K is still a strong competitor. It matches up more closely with the Ryzen 9 3900X, which has 12 cores and 24 threads, in both performance and cost. However, the Intel chip is notable for its high power consumption. Intel has increased the thermal design power, TDP, of the i9-10900K to 125 watts, a jump of 30 watts from its predecessors. This measurement only indicates the basic power usage. At peak performance, Intel rates this processor to handle up to 250 watts, and our tests even showed spikes up to 325 watts. With power levels like these, the processor tends to generate a significant amount of heat, especially when running at full capacity. Number 6. AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. Compare it to Intel's closest options, such as the Core i9-10980XE Extreme Edition, and others in the decidedly pricey, definitely high Core X series, and the value contest isn't even close. In the Core Wars at the close of 2020, AMD simply can't be beat if you deal with demanding content creation applications, or need a workhorse CPU to handle the rigors of heavy load, highly multi-threaded productivity tasks day in and day out. Look no further, as AMD's latest and greatest, top-of-the-stacks, and 3 processor, the Ryzen 9 5950X, delivers core-crushing power that bests an Intel chip meant to compete with AMD's own Truehead platform, Ryzen Threadripper. Most folks don't need all the power the Ryzen 9 5950X packs, but few wouldn't want it. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. It may not come close to surpassing the Ryzen 9 3900X, especially in multi-threaded workloads, and it has inherited the Ryzen 7 2700X's 8-core, 16-thread setup. However, it still brings to the table that raw performance for those who are on a limited budget. With the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, you're getting a much more affordable processor that also needs less robust cooling, and it's simply the best processor for most people. But don't take our word for it, read our review to find out exactly what it's capable of. Number 4. AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. Compare it to Intel's closest options, such as the Core i9-10980XE Extreme Edition, and others in the decidedly pricey, definitely high Core X series, and the value contest isn't even close. In the Core Wars at the close of 2020, AMD simply can't be beat if you deal with demanding content creation applications, or need a workhorse CPU to handle the rigors of heavy load, highly multi-threaded productivity tasks day in and day out. Look no further, as AMD's latest and greatest, top-of-the-stacks, and 3 processor, the Ryzen 9 5950X, delivers core-crushing power that bests an Intel chip meant to compete with AMD's own Truehead platform, Ryzen Threadripper. Most folks don't need all the power the Ryzen 9 5950X packs, but few wouldn't want it. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 9 3950X. That system drowns competing high-end gaming rigs in many productivity tests, but Dell did a questionable job on the cooling front, including a single intake fan and a small radiator with the AIO liquid cooler. The AMD Ryzen family has completely redefined our expectations for desktop processors, and Intel has struggled to respond. The company has slowly dialed up the frequency of its aging 14nm process and added more cores, but those tweaks can't offset the reality that AMD has moved on to a denser and more efficient 7nm process that enables higher core counts. Of course, process technology doesn't solve all the challenges of fielding a competitive chip, but that advantage is hard to beat when paired with a solid microarchitecture like AMD's Zen 2. Number 2. Intel Core i9-9900K. The company's 9th-generation core processors, otherwise known as the Coffee Lake Refresh, represent another step forward in a contentious battle for desktop supremacy, as the company looks to maintain its top spots on our list of best CPUs. Intel's lineup matches AMD Ryzen, core for core, including a new Core i9-9900K with 8 hyper-threaded cores, 8C/16T, and the highest frequencies we've seen in the mainstream space. There's also a bulked-up Core i9-9900KF, armed with 2 extra cores, plus a revamped Core i9-9900X. If AMD isn't sitting still, though, the company recently released its own new flagship, the 16-core, 32-thread Ryzen 9 3950X, to fend off Intel's new challengers. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. The war between Intel and AMD has raged for years over the best single and multi-threaded performance. It was always believed that you go with AMD for top-notch multi-threaded performance needed for professional and creative applications, but if you're trying to squeeze every ounce of performance for the best PC games, it was assumed that Intel was the best processor for the job. But the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X may have changed all that. This CPU might just be the best available option. It's just as capable with single-threaded tasks as it is with multi-threaded ones. AMD Ryzen 5000 presentation made this clear, as the company zeroed in on gaming, with creative applications taking a back seat. So, guys, that's all for the top 7 best CPUs for VR gaming in 2025. The links to all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.